Okay, we're all done with that slate. I put another layer of caulking on. Probably come up and do it one more time. And I was thinking maybe I'll even bring some molding up and close in that bee area in there a little bit. Maybe leave them one hole. So the other thing I thought I could mention is, so my lift wasn't running good. It's been like 2 years maybe. On cold days, it just made a lot of noise, especially when you're using the smaller cylinders or the hydraulic, smaller movements. But it's cold out right now. I don't know how cold it is, but it definitely is not very warm out right now. It's got to be 50 or below. And the lift is running smooth. So I think what it was is I had maybe too heavy of oil in it, because when it warmed up really warm, then it ran smooth. Or I had too much oil because I wasn't testing, or I wasn't measuring the oil level with the legs up. So that's one thing. There's up driving condition, so all the legs are up, everything's down, and then that's when you measure the oil height. So it's just something to keep in mind. It was making a lot of noise. And then yesterday I noticed when I got to a certain height, it started screeching again. And I was pretty sure it was probably because I was too low on oil, and sure enough I was, because I still got this oil leak I need to fix. Right down here, it's dripping. It wasn't much of a drip, but it's not great, so I need to buy that cylinder, which is a little over $700, but I need to do it. And it's the one that controls the basket back and forth. It's just a slow drip, but it's still too much. Need to get that taken care of. Okay, so this one's done. I'll be back up here one more time, and then I don't know, we'll check out the rest of the roof on the front, and this might be closing it in for the lift work for the year. Okay, let's get down on the ground. It's getting cold up here.